Hey y'all, so let me tell you something. Whew, something just happened to me, and I think I just encountered my first Karen, and she, like, what?
Are you down like 1, 2, 3? Eyes closed, back and correct, so see. He's dressed in black 'cause he knows your history.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog video. I hope you guys are doing a awesome day. If y'all new here, welcome. And also don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss another video. So right now, I want to talk to y'all about something, okay? Hold on, let me sit y'all right here so we can talk, okay? A few things. I am going to insert a mini story time video on here because like this really happened because I encountered my first Karen, and it's crazy. But before then, I am going to insert a clip some clips that I filmed when I was out helping out a friend of mine and his buddy on their farm. So here it is.
Eventually.
Lighting, here we go. Damn!
Stupid.
Bruh, like they went boom. That's gonna be an instant replay. I think that's gonna be the intro of my vlog. Make sure I don't step in horse shit because I almost stepped a big pile of one over there. Y'all can see like these two are getting big, but this one over there is getting bigger. Sachi, what you doing? Hey girl. Let's see what let's see what your daddy over here doing. You see him doing some stupid shit. Yeah, YouTube, I'm just letting you know I do not condone this. Okay? So please do not demonetize my video. Thank you.
Okay, that's good.
3, 2, 1. Houston, we have a liftoff. Dang, gone.
I think that tree's saying the same thing.
Look at that. That one right there, the second one's getting big.
One eternity later. Oh. Okay, that's good. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah. Do you think that's safe to have that near the power line?
Jordan seen the one we had the other night.
That was fine.
I don't see it. The other one was up in the fire line. That's not big.
Ain't nothing happened to it? Sachi.
The next day.
in this episode of Jackass. Camera time. Bingo, I got action. Sachi said, I'm not here for y'all in that y'all shit.
Damn.
You gotta get a stick.
Hey, I'll show you a cigarette when it's not gas, though.
Motherfucker.
Here, come here and light that.
Yeah, that pile don't want to burn.
Light that. That ought to burn.
Where? Oh.
Just light it anywhere. There you go. Woo. Light it anywhere.
Yeah. You be okay.
Light that.
You may lose some eyebrows, but you okay.
Shit. I don't see no gas. Just light it anywhere.
Boom.
I ain't done.
Well, Eric got a death wish, so
Spray.
Everywhere.
you
Yeah.
can smell it.
Yeah.
You can smell it.
Mhm.
I washed my hands in the creek, so I'm good.
Hell, I don't know what it's...
Light a leaf or something.
I can't light no leaf. Here, we'll run the line to it. Here.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Damn. Good boy. Oh, neat.
This going on my YouTube channel.
Ooh, that's doing good over now.
Yes, it is. Oh shit. And we're here. Hey y'all, so let me tell you something. Something just happened to me, and I think I just encountered my first Karen. And she, like, what? It's like, okay. Last time y'all saw me, I had hair. I should say this monkey off. I'm good at ball. It's hot. So, let me tell you, this really happened, like, today. So, I'm just, like, literally minding my business. Picking up mail, so I realized, okay, my friend got a package. My roommate got a package. Let me go and get it. I go in and I see this lady, and she gonna say, hey, can I ask you like a quick favor? And I was like, yeah, like depends on what the favor is. And she gonna go off saying, well, I noticed that you live at this building right here, and can you not put the trash at, like, you know, in that dumpster, like go in the far end, because that dumpster don't belong to you. Painting a picture for y'all, okay? Stop at a light. I'm painting a picture for y'all. So this is my building, the dumpster, and the other building that's across from this, right? So basically, this right here, the front end of this building right? The front end of it use this dumpster. Same as the front end of this building use this dumpster. So we share this dumpster. Now, on the opposite end of this building, they use the opposite dumpster on that end, far end of the building. Same as the building that's across from this building, okay? The front end on this side, use the one on this, you get what I'm handling, okay? She was telling me not to put my trash in this dumpster. Yeah. She was like, well, the landlord hasn't, sent out emails out about it, and people just don't care. And she's like, whoever that lives upstairs, because they live here so long, they think they can do whatever they want, yada, yada, yada. And I was like, that's involuntary information that I really, really don't want to know. But however, she was like, can you just not dump your trash out? She said, it brings out rats and everything. Rats? What rats? Didn't see no rats. We get raccoons, but no rats. I don't know what she lying about for. I don't understand what's your issue, And it just made everything stupid. You really gonna have the nerve to tell me not to put my trash in that dumpster? It's my dumpster. I'm supposed to put that there. The fuck? And she was like, well, can you please? You're not the owner of this damn complex. If the owner said, hey, don't put the trash in this dumpster, we would not put that trash in that dumpster. So be gone somewhere, for real though.
How about that? How you feeling about a little bit more solder on that point, huh? Huh? That's what I'm feeling.
Can you tell my viewers what you're working on?
I'm working on a RGH3. And why is this point being weird? Anyway.
Educate the viewers about RH3 and also about this post-fix adapter.
There we go. Well, some RGA, when you mod an Xbox 360, some, especially Coronas are terrible. I can't. Ugh. Anyway, the worst is the 4 gigabyte Corona. But this one right here, this one's actually a 16 megabyte. It's not going to be too bad. Usually I go over without a stitch. Almost as good as the Trinities, but the Trinities are really good. So, you're sitting on Trinity, on the RGH, that's the ticket. We have a simple fee, whatever. But once you get that, once you get an RGH, I sell 2 terabyte clone drives of my own with mod menus, with 170 plus games, you will not need anything else, really. That I can think of. I really don't. Yeah. And if you want to play online, just get a Go server. Simple setup. I can tell you how to. I don't generally set up people's Go servers just because I don't know what they're looking for. Some Go servers are paid. Some Go servers are not paid. Some of the best ones are, of course, paid like anything else. But at the same time, the free ones have a ton of users and they're free. How many people are you trying to fight? You know what I'm saying? Type of situation. So, yeah, we got this RGX3 going on. And I'll have this done real soon.
The next day.